Hi Dolly friends, Chris is again. Welcome back to a new video. I just got back from a bunch of errands with my mom, my brother, and her boyfriend. And I bought 3 things I want to show you guys. Before we got Burger King on the way home, so I'm going to eat that. But before I start, I got 3 things from Walmart. So I'm gonna save the big one for last, but one thing I got Winnie the Pooh Blood and Honey on DVD. This movie's actually grown on me. I do enjoy the movie at a certain extent. Yes, it's cheesy. Yes, it's silly, but I enjoy it for what it is. It's a cheesy little slasher. I know people like Cody Leach and people like that don't like it, but I thought it was alright. So I'm gonna open the disc. I'll open the DVD. Show you guys the disc. Pretty sure you guys didn't know. You guys want to see what that big item is. Like, you guys know if you see my story on my community tab page. It's cool. It's got disc art. Definitely going to watch that tonight. Some Winnie the Pooh Blood Honey. Got a good pricing deal on that. Next thing I got is Addams Family figural bag clips. Remember at Walmart they had an entire horror section of everything horror movie related, and this is one of them. This big thing was one of them too, which I'll show you in a minute. But these are cute. You can get Gomez, Morticia, Pugsley, Wednesday, other version Wednesday, Grandma, Uncle Fester, Lourdes, Cousinette, and 2 exclusives. So let's see. Get my scissors. Where I put my damn scissors? There they are. So let's see which one I got. Okay. I got Gomez. He's pretty cool. So that's cool. I'll be throwing in the trash, that bag. Now the big thing I got. I did not expect to see this when I saw it, but I've been seeing these pictures of all the horror stuff on Facebook and stuff like that, so I got a m3gan doll. I am lost for words. I found this only $10, 14 or $10, and she's absolutely awesome. It says, I dreamed of the perfect toy that would protect a kid from ever getting feeling lonely or sad. It said, this is m3gan. Look at her. Isn't that precious? And it comes with the doll. It comes with a mini poster and accessory, which is one of those Furby things. And here's how you open the little scene here. How cute is she? I'm going to try and open her for you guys and take her out of the box. So, how you open her. Sorry guys, this isn't filmed very well. So here she is. Oh, guys, she's being held on with tons of stuff. I'm never gonna sell this, so I might as well take her out of the box. And here she is. Here's a better look at her. She's adorable. I'm definitely gonna take her on outings with me. She's pretty cool. I like her. And this one's with this mini poster. And this Furby thing. That's cute as well. But yeah. Not bad for a $10 toy or figure or doll. So yeah. There's a more detailed look of her. Need to spread her legs or straighten her legs a little bit, but she is really cool. She's so sad. Wish he talked or something, but yeah. I love her. But yeah, that is everything I got from Walmart and other places. I think I need my Burger King now with m3gan. And yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This unboxing wasn't that good, but hey, it was worth it. But yeah. With that said, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. See you guys in the next video, which will be tomorrow. And I'll put more videos, and m3gan will be in those videos, and do m3gan. And yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Peace out. Bye-bye.